Hi, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch my video. I'm calling from New Outlook SEO Marketing. I came across your company while doing research of companies in your plumbers in your area. Today, my goal is to provide some tips for increasing your ranking online and increasing your customers. Today, we'll be talking about three different areas, one being content, citations, and backlinks. So, content is anything that can be found within your website. So this includes words, pictures, how the pictures are saved, videos, and what's behind the pictures. So in order to increase ranking on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, by having more content, you're able to include more keywords. Now, keywords are words that are typed in a search engine to find a certain service or type of company. So, our goal is to just incorporate as many keywords as possible. The next would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, address, and phone number can be found. This could be in a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Home Advisor, Angie's List, Facebook, LinkedIn, for example. So the more citations you have, the better it is for someone to find your business. Our goal is, again, to see what your competitors are doing or what citations they have, and just to have more than your competitor. So to increase your citations. Now, this is what I found when I Googled plumbers in San Francisco. So the first thing that we see here are the paid per clicks. So these companies are paying to be listed in this area. The next would be ads. Now, in 2021, a lot of people do have ad blockers, so this is not always the best option. The next will be our map pack. Now, the map pack is very important to be listed here. Generally, when someone Googles a certain service or company, then they will call or go directly over to the website from this area. So our goal would be to have you listed here. The next is the organic search. So I'm showing that we have Yelp, another local directory here for the plumbers. Your top competitor, though, is Magic Plumbing. Now, I was able to find you listed here on the first page as number 6. So the goal would be to beat out Angie's List, O'Grady Plumbing, Magic Plumbing, and then the local directory and Yelp. So let's take a look at a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Shows how your website is doing. It is not 100% accurate, but it still does give us an idea. So I'm showing that you have over 2,000 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are found on a website that will lead back to your website. Now, it's important to have quality backlinks. Now, so for example, a backlink coming from a clothing store versus a hardware store is going to bring in a different amount of people to your website. So the goal is to increase your backlinks, and which will bring in more traffic to your website. You're using 493 keywords, bringing in about 578 people to your website per month and generating about $12,000 in revenue. Let's look at your keywords that you're currently using that are bringing people in. So emergency plumber, hydro jetting near me, and this is where you see your ranking over here, okay? Of course, your name, sewer hydro jetting near me, plumber in San Francisco, water heater services, 24-hour plumber, San Francisco. So this just gives you an idea how you're ranking. Hot water service. Okay, so let's look at your competitor, Magic Plumbing. So they have about 1,900 backlinks, around 1,200 keywords they're using. They're bringing in about 918 people to their website per month and generating about $20,000 in revenue. Now let's take a look at their keywords. So slab leak detection, plumber in San Francisco, which they're number 1, water heater services, sewer hydro jetting near me, sump pump service, water heater whistling, plumber Daily City, and then of course their name, gas boiler repair near me, toilet repair and installation. So what we do is we look at the keywords that your competitor is currently using, and we can build those into your website, which will help you rank higher as well. So I hope that you enjoyed some of the tips that I provided. Now you're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like to talk about these more in depth, my phone number is 916-378-9773. I would like to get some feedback nonetheless about what you thought about the tips I provided. Thank you again for taking out your time to watch this video. I hope you have a good day.